Today I will repair the door of the front load washing machine. First, the door lock does not open through the door handle, which is the right way. Beside the door handle, the thread wire is connected to open it. When we pull the thread wire, then we can open it. The door is completely ruined. One side of the hinge about the door is broken. Now I will try to repair the door and show you how to fix it. Here I open the screws. And now I will pull the door's hinge in an upward direction, then the door comes out. See here, hooks are installed on the hinge's backward side. Through these hooks, the door is hung to the machine's body. When we see carefully here, the plastic is broken, so the hinge is not fixed in its place and comes out completely. Other than that, the upper cover of the door is also damaged on both sides. Now we will talk about the door lock hook. Why does it not open? As we saw here, the hook movement is upward, and the handle's metal or plastic inside is damaged or missing. Both pins of the door handle should be removed to open the handle. If I pull the pin towards back, it will come out. See here, someone tried to repair the handle base but couldn't succeed. Now we will repair the handle base in the right way. Here we have a problem during the welding. As we know, the right side of the bush has had no problem before. Therefore, we left it in the same position, and on the left side, you can see we made the bush and welded it with the plate. On another side, we arranged another system on it so it couldn't fall out. Our system is now ready. The hinge is ready now and not coming out from its place. Now the machine door is ready, and its hinges are repaired. Now the machine door is ready, and its hinges are repaired. Besides that, we removed the thread wire and opened it easily by pulling the door handle. Click on the left or right thumbnail on the screen to watch our next videos. And subscribe. It's free.